apart with your mouth and your body. 1. You take the straw, you put it next to one knee and squeeze the other knee to it and go. 2. Take the straw, put it in your elbow, close this, and 2. 3. Take the straw, put it in your cleavage. Cleavage. Yes.
If you have any.
Squeeze boobs tight. Well, if you have any cleavage. Squeeze boobs tightly together and. That's 3. 4. You take the straw, put it under your knee, and. That's 4. 5. You take the straw, put it between your fingers. That's 5. Then you take the straw, put it in between your fingers. You can kind of hear it. But that's it. Then you take it, Kelsey, I need you. And here's Kelsey. Next one. You take the straw, put it in the neck, and bend. That makes sense. Then you take the straw, you bend your back, so you get this little roll. You put this in the roll, and bend more. It makes a sound. Then you take the straw, you put it in between your legs, and that is 9. Then the last one, you take the straw, put it in your armpit, and not working. And that is the last one. Oh, bye. Just press the button now. There you go.
It's not working.